by Ameristeam, on a broad base, is a disaster recovery business.
We offer a full line of restoration services to all our healthcare facilities, from cleaning to air sampling to abatement to environmental work.
With ServiceMaster by Ameristeam, response time and getting a business back up in a timely fashion is crucial.
We want to minimize business interruption so that everybody can get back to pre-loss condition.
Sicknesses don't wait, and we want to make sure that all of the people that do come in here are going to be taken care of and taken care of well.
This healthcare facility was affected by soot and smoke. We noticed that the air handling system had taken the brunt of the damage.
Smoke was pulled in through the air intake system and distributed throughout the entire healthcare facility, creating some pretty bad smell and a little bit of soot and residue on some of the inside.
Because of the acidic base of smoke, it needs to be treated and cleaned immediately after a fire.
So we came in, first of all, and we added a lot of air scrubbers into the environment, some mild deodorization. We wanted to make sure that the indoor air quality was in fact good.
Some of the things that we do clean when we do a fire are, first and foremost, walls, all flat surfaces, ceilings, floors, duct handling systems, right down to the tiniest, littlest minute detail, and just go over it and over it and over it. Once you think you're done, you do it again. And when you think you're done, you do it again.
In a flood or water cleanup, first thing we'll do is we'll assess what kind of water there is that was the intrusion into the building. Whether it's a leaky roof or a broken water main or a sewage backup, it doesn't matter. We clean up all types of water.
It's important to have a good contractor on board to actually get into the building and control the water damage and do the restorative drying, and it really prevents mold and bacteria growth.
Air quality in healthcare facilities is extremely important.
In a hospital or healthcare setting, you can have airborne concentrations of things like mold and bacteria and asbestos.
That's when we do a lot of sampling and testing to make sure that the air quality in these facilities is deemed healthy and good for the clients.
We do swab samples. We'll test the surface for any kind of carbon. We'll also test the indoor air quality to make sure that overall it's a healthy environment. We usually work with a third-party certified industrial hygiene firm.
So a lot of times we'll go into buildings where there's floods or fires and monitor the ambient air.
So we test the air constantly and monitoring the air constantly to make sure that everything stays within guidelines and that we're working in a safe manner and providing safe air, while the work is going on and at the end of the work as well.
Healthcare facilities cannot plan disasters, but ServiceMaster by Ameristeam can respond to them.
Any kind of disaster is an emotional situation, and what we're providing is not only a service, but the service that's going to provide peace of mind.
The most proactive thing a healthcare facility can do is have a contingency in place in the event of an emergency. We get to know these companies before a disaster ever happens in their facility. We have a contingency plan. We work out all the pricing, all their wants and needs and desires before any project starts. So when we do walk into a disaster situation, we are already well prepared and we understand the job going into it. Response time and contingency planning sets us apart from our competition.
We want to make sure that our clients are taken care of and they feel good about what we're doing. Giving peace of mind is key, and that is our corporate objective. Walking into a situation that is post-fire, post-flood is absolutely a traumatic situation, and really cleaning up the soot and cleaning up the water at the end of the day is more or less an easier part of the equation, but providing that peace of mind consistently is where our value is, and I think we do that exceptionally well.